Hi, everybody. This is Mr. Sanito, and this is my first math video. I'm super excited. I sent math books home with the kids, and for this lesson, it's going to be on page 400. So you can follow along if you've got your math book. And if you don't have your math book, that's fine. You can still watch the video and then take your math book out later and complete the pages. So in this lesson, we're beginning to work on greater than and less than. And in the first problem, we're going to compare two sets of numbers. And it says to compare 25 and 17. And you can see, let's see if I've got this. Whoops, that's not what I wanted to do. I think I want to do this. You can see we've got two groups right here. And on this side, we can count 10. We can count the value 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And on this side, we can count the value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we're going to compare 25 and 17. I'm going to erase all of my silliness. There we go. We're going to compare 25 and 17. And what we do is we take a look at the numbers that are in the tens column. And in the tens column of 25, we've got the 2. And in the tens column of 17, we've got the 1. And so we look and see which one is bigger. And we can tell that 2 is larger than 1. And it says right here, 2 tens are more than 1 10. So that's a big clue that we're going to take our alligator mouth, or our greater than sign, and it's going to look like that. And you can see that's what the book put right down there. And so what they're asking you to write is the number of the tens and the ones. They want you to come up with 25, and 25 is greater than 17. And then you have to write it again on the bottom like this: 25 is greater than 17. That's our first problem. But what if the tens are the same? Well, here's a problem where the tens are the same. And it says, let me do this. If the tens are the same, compare the ones. So you'll notice over here, if you count the value, it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we write 17. Over on this side, we count the values: 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So of course, we write 15. And we know that even if the tens value is the same, we can look at the ones column. And we can see that the 7 is larger than the 5, or greater than the 5. So that means that we're going to make the alligator mouth point to the larger number, just like that. And if I erase all of my silliness, you'll be able to see that we're going to write 17 is greater than 15. And that's what we're doing. We're comparing the numbers. Now, you can get some practice on these problems, and I'll help you with the first one. It says circle the greater number. And remember, greater is going to mean larger. So we have to look for the larger number. It says up here, did tens or ones help you decide? And then you have to write in all the numbers. Yes, you have to write them all in. So let's do the first one together. We've got 62 and 65. Well, we can look at the value in the tens column. We've got a 6 and a 6. Oh, they're the same. So then we look at the ones column and we've got a 2 and a 5. Well, which one is larger? Is it 2 or is it 5? Well, I think we all know that 5 is going to be the larger number. And so we circle 65 because it's greater. It's the larger number. In this column, it says, did tens or ones help you decide? Well, I think it was the ones. So I'm going to circle the ones. And then we have to think. It says over here, it says, blank is greater than blank. So we put the larger number first. That means 62. No. Oh, I messed up. Oh, no. Don't worry. I'll fix it. 65 is the larger number. So that's what I got. See, they're trying to trick us. Ooh. Okay. So I put 65 is greater than, and what's the other number I'm going to write? 62. So 65 is the larger number. I put that first, and it's greater than 62. Now, when we get down here, we have to put the larger number. We have to make the alligator mouth go towards the larger number. So which one's the larger number? Again, 65. I write that in. And then the smaller number is 62. And that's what we're looking for. So you can do the problems on page 400. Let's see here. And you can probably do... Oh, there it is. You could do the problems on page 401. And I'm going to try and send you the Math on the Spot video to watch too. Wouldn't that be cool? Oh boy. So I think you've got enough to keep you busy. And if you really, really want some extra fun, you can do page 402, 403, and 404. I hope this video wasn't too choppy, and I hope you enjoyed it. And I'll post another one maybe tomorrow. Thanks for watching.